Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to join groups or communities in Roblox. Now the name groups have been changed in Roblox. It is changed to communities, so I'll show you how to join communities. So just go ahead and open up your browser. And in your browser, go to roblox.com and make sure you're signed in. And after that, just click on the hamburger menu from here and then just click on communities. And if you are not part of any community yet, you'll see this page. This is called the Community Explorer page. From here, you can either search for any specific community from the search bar, or you can just randomly scroll and see which community to join. For example, let's say I want to join this Flamingo fan, and I'll click on it. And after that, I'll click on Join Community. And there you go. I have successfully joined the community or the group. And that's basically it. And if I then go to hamburger menu and click on communities again, I'll see that community over here. I can either create more community or just go ahead and join more communities. And basically that is how to join community or groups in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.